guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. So today I'm gonna do the what I got for Christmas video. I actually I didn't get that many things because we only did like a gift exchange between my family, and we are for my family. So I'm gonna show you what they gave me and also like a few things that I bought for myself as a Christmas gift. So without further ado, so I hope that you really like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget that you can do so by clicking the button down below. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I first want to start this section with some makeup, and the first thing that I got it's the Roxy palette from Makeup Revolution, and this is a collaboration of this, I think it's a British YouTuber that she made with Makeup Revolution, and it's such a great palette. I've heard and seen so many reviews about this palette, and I don't know how my sister found out that I really liked it, because I literally like talked about the palette with her like 2 days ago, but she already had it. So I'm surprised that she knew about it. I guess she does love this brand though. So this is what it looks like. This is the Ride or Die palette, and it comes with this gorgeous colors. Like, if you've seen my previous videos, you know I love the yellow eyeshadow, so I can't wait to try this one and this blue one. The blue eyeshadows on your lower lash line looks so good, so I can't wait to do some look with this. So if you'd like me to do a video with this palette, let me know in the comments down below. I can do like a full drugstore makeup because, like I said, this is $15 and it's on the drugstore side of Ulta, but it's really good and I love the packaging. It looks so fancy. The next makeup thing that I got was this Lashes growing serum, and I got it on one of my FabFitFun boxes, which a review is coming out very soon. And I love this serum. I think I've talked about it before on my Instagram stories. If you are not following me yet, the social media links are down below in the description box. But I've seen my lashes grow out so much, especially because after lash extensions you're so used to seeing your lashes that long that when you take them off and you feel like you have no lashes. So with this one, I feel like they've been growing a lot. The next thing that I got is this Acne Control Oil and Pore Mattifier Broad Spectrum. It's SPF 45, and Murad sent me this SPF thingy like 4 days ago for me to try it and write a review about it, and I really like it. I love using SPFs. I incorporated it into my routine a few months ago, and I've seen like a whole change in it, and I really like that this is acne control, because usually SPFs leave your skin very oily and this one doesn't. So I love this one. And then something that I got for myself are the Kylie Jenner lipsticks. If you want to see what they look like, you can go watch my previous video, which was my holiday glow up video. And they're really good. They smell so good, and they were 2 for buy one get one free at Ulta, so I got them for myself there the first time that I bought any Kylie Jenner makeup products, and I think they're really good. Moving on to another thing, I got these Marc Jacobs Decadence perfume set, and I love Marc Jacobs. All of their perfumes smell so good. I've had the honey before, and this Christmas I asked for another perfume from Marc Jacobs that wasn't the one that I had, because I wanted a new smell. And I love this one. I love the packaging. I think it looks so fancy. It's this small purse, and it has a really sweet smell. Like, you open it like this, it smells so good. So it came with this perfume. It also came with a small bottle, and this is for carrying it with you on your purse and just spray it any time that you need it. And it also came with a small lotion, and I haven't smelled this one. It smells just like the perfume, and I love it. It smells so good, and I can't wait to start using it, because my honey perfume, I also got it for Christmas last year, and it's already done, so can't wait to start using this one as well. And the next things that I got are like my favorite things. One of them being the Billie Eilish vinyl record. This is also from my sister. I mentioned that I wanted a vinyl record. Actually, like, that's something that I asked, like a record player, and I said that I wanted the Billie Eilish vinyl record. So she got it for me. I don't think it's the glow in the dark, but I don't care which one it is. I love Billie Eilish and I can't wait to start playing it like every day. And it has like the side A, side B, and I like all of her songs. And I know that you can have it on your phone for free technically by playing Spotify or Apple Music, but I've been wanting a record player for so long. Another thing that I got, it wasn't really for Christmas, but since I knew that I was gonna be getting a record player, I got myself some vinyl records from Disney. I love Disney, so I got the 101 Dalmatians and the Sleeping Beauty one. Also, I think they're all only stories, even though in the back it says that they have songs. So I need to figure out how to play this and how record players work, because I have no idea how to use them. And my dad kind of like taught me a little bit yesterday, but I don't want to mess it up and I don't want to break it. And finally, my record player, I have it here. It's from the brand Crossley, and it opens something like this. It looks like this. I think it's so cute. I love this color and I love my room. It's color white and mint green, so I have like that combination. So I think like this matches perfectly. It's kind of like, it has like a blue tint, but it's also kind of white. And it also has Bluetooth, and I can plug in like headphones or anything that I want. So I love it, and we'll be showing it to you guys when I have the stand and everything. So I'll be showing you on my Instagram. So that's it, all that I got for Christmas. Like I said, there are not that many things, but I love them and I'm so grateful for all the things that I got. And Christmas is not really about gifts, it's about spending time with your family. And I'm so grateful to have my family around me and my dog, and she had so much fun opening her gifts as well. So also check out my Instagram because I uploaded some videos of her opening her gifts. I hope that you really like this video. Let me know in the comments what you got for Christmas, and or like what your plans were for Christmas, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.